inside my body. Have you ever wondered what was underneath your skin? It's your organs, your heart, brains, lungs, and many more. Let's have a look inside the body. Here are the main organs: the brain, kidneys, skin, heart, large intestine, liver, lungs, trachea, small intestine, stomach, and bladder. The first thing we have is the skin. The skin is tough and strong, just right for covering your body and protecting it. The skin helps to keep our body at just the right temperature. The skin is the body's largest organ. The skin allows us to have the sense of touch. The skin is very important. It covers and protects everything inside the body. Skin is always renewing itself, though you cannot see it happening. Every minute of the day, we lose about 30,000 to 40,000 dead skin cells off the surface of our skin. Your skeleton. Your skeleton is made up of all your bones. They fit together like a puzzle. Your skeleton helps you keep your body shape, protects your organs, and allows you to stand up and move. The brain. The brain is protected by the skull. The brain is about the size of a small cauliflower. It controls the rest of the body. The brain needs oxygen from your blood to work properly. The heart. The heart is like a pump, but it is a muscle. It is to the left of the middle of your chest, and it is about the size of your fist. The heart sends blood around the body. The blood provides the body with the oxygen and other things it needs to work properly. The right side of the heart gets blood from the body and pumps it to the lungs to get oxygen. The left side of the heart gets blood from the lungs that is full of oxygen and pumps it out to the body. The trachea. The trachea, also known as the windpipe, is a hollow tube that connects the nose and mouth to the lungs. It begins at the lower part of the larynx, the voice box, and continues down to the lungs. The trachea allows air to flow in from our nose and mouth down to our lungs. If the trachea becomes blocked, breathing is restricted, which can be very serious. The lungs. The rib cage protects the lungs. The lungs take up most of the space in the chest. Your body needs oxygen to stay alive. When you breathe in, oxygen enters the lungs. The oxygen goes into the bloodstream through your lungs and is carried to the parts of the body that need it. The liver. The liver is the largest organ inside the body. The liver gets rid of toxins and helps the body store energy. When the body is fully grown, the liver will weigh 1.5 kilograms, but by the time it is 60 years old, it will have shrunk to 0.8 kilograms. The stomach. When we eat food, the body sends it to the stomach, and it stays there for 2.5 to 3 hours. The stomach muscles squash the food until it is a creamy pulp. The stomach produces juices to break down food and kills germs you may have swallowed. It takes all the parts of the food that your body needs, like energy and vitamins, and puts it into your blood. The intestines. The intestines are in two parts, the large intestine and the small intestine. The small intestine is a narrow coiled tube that is about 6 or 7 meters long. When food leaves the stomach, it comes here so that nutrients can be absorbed back into the body. Water and food that cannot be digested pass into the large intestine and come out of your body as waste. The kidneys. One of the main jobs of the kidneys is to filter out the waste in the blood. Most of the waste is just stuff your body doesn't need because it already has enough. The waste is combined with water to make urine. This travels to the bladder. The kidney is just as important as the heart. The body needs at least one kidney to survive. If you have ever seen a kidney bean, then you have a pretty good idea of what a kidney looks like. Kidneys come in pairs. Each kidney is 13 centimeters long and about 8 centimeters wide, about the size of a computer mouse. The bladder. The bladder is a bag that collects the urine that leaves the kidneys. When the bladder is full, it sends a message to the brain and you go to the toilet. Drinking plenty of water and avoiding rich foods will help keep the bladder and kidneys in good condition. Subscribe to my channel and give this video a big thumbs up. Follow me on Instagram at The Rainbow Teacher.